well. I am back for another instalment. If you are new here, my name is Vicky and I have a 6.5-month-old baby girl called Ada. My channel is a bit of a mix of home, interiors, lifestyle and motherhood. In today's video, I'm actually doing something a little bit different. I'm going to get my craft on. I'm really excited about this. So I've been looking at different ways that I can entertain Ada with sensory play. She is coming up to 6.5 months old and she loves anything touchy-feely. She loves different textures, she loves bright colours, all sorts of different things. Like, we go out in the garden and she will spend ages like touching all the leaves and the plants and everything. She just loves it. So I have seen these on Pinterest, and as soon as I saw them I thought, oh my god, Ada is gonna love that. And it's really cheap to make, it's hopefully really easy to make. So my plan is to make my own sensory board. It doesn't need to be expensive by any means. I've been collecting a few bits and pieces from around the house and I've bought a couple of things. So I will show you first of all what I've got. And then I will take you along the process with me and show you the finished result. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So the first thing I've got is essential. It's a glue gun. This one was $4.99 from the range. It's only a little mini one. And then these glue sticks go with it. I can't remember how many there are. There we go, 50. And they were $1.99. So I thought that was a bargain because I use a glue gun quite often. I always have to borrow my mum. So I've got my own this time. I've got some coloured card. This actually came in a craft kit from Amazon. So I've got the remnants here. So it's got like some foam stickers in it, sequins, foam letters. It also came with pipe cleaners, felt, pom-poms, buttons and lollipop sticks and feathers. So I'm going to be using a mixture of things on here. I'm going to use a bit of card. I've got some bubble wrap. I'm going to cut some of that up and pop some on. This is actually, you know, I don't know what they're called. They're like life-saving wrap things, you know, like if people get really cold and you put one of those on them. That's actually what it is. My stepmom got one for Ada because they're supposed to love the noise, but she absolutely hates it. But I think it's because it's massive. So I've just cut a bit off and I'm going to scrumple that up and put that on. I've got some feathers. These are actually a pair of maternity shorts. I got these because they're like silky satiny. I got these because I had a C-section and it made it easy to get out of bed because you just slide on those, but I don't wear them anymore, so I'm going to cut up a bit of silk. I've got a little shower puff. I'm going to cut a bit of that up. Lollipop sticks, as I showed you before. A sponge. I don't know what this is called, but a different type of sponge. Then I've got some cardboard string that came in a delivery. Cotton buds. I've got some buttons and some string. Pasta, pipe cleaners and some felt. And what I'm using for my board is this. So this is just an envelope from Amazon. I'm going to cut off at the very end, you see here. I'm going to cut that off and use this as my board. It doesn't need to be expensive. You can use whatever you've got around the house. You could use cereal board, you could use a piece of MDF, anything like that. So it really doesn't need to be expensive, and I'm sure it's going to be something that Ada loves. I'm really excited to get my craft on. I've waited until she is in bed, so you'll have to excuse her and her little monitor, but I didn't want to use the glue gun while she was around. So I haven't done anything crafty for so long, so I'm really excited to give it a go, have a bit of fun myself, and then hopefully have a bit of fun with Ada as she's playing. So to start, I just literally cut off the envelope part of my cardboard, and then I'm just going through all my bits and pieces, just working out where I'm going to put everything, what it's going to look like. I'm trying to get different colours and different textures together, so I'm just having a bit of a play around with that first of all before I get my glue gun out and stick it all down. It was at this point that I realised that my glue gun was not long enough to reach from any of the plugs in the dining room, so I just moved it over into the kitchen. I've also started to cut out a little bit of card just to back a few of the things I'm putting on there. So to begin with, I just cut out a bit of card into a heart shape and add on the pasta. Be prepared to use a lot of glue as well. I thought 50 sticks was a bit of an overkill, but I definitely used quite a lot of them. So next up, I'm just taking some of the felt. I'm choosing the nice bright colours because I know they're Ada's favourites. And then I'm just cutting the ends of them so that they just add a bit more texture. And then I just work my way around the board, sticking everything down in the places that I'd mapped them out to be. There is no right or wrong. You could do a plan beforehand if you wanted to, so you knew where everything was going to go, or you could just do it by sight like I did. Either way, it was a lot of fun and I really want to make another one again. So with the buttons, I'm just threading that onto some garden string because it's really quite strong. I'm making a hole through the cardboard with a skewer and then tying this string through to the back of it and just making sure it's extra secure by putting some glue on the other side so they don't come off. Ta-da! Here is my finished masterpiece. I'm not gonna lie, I had loads of fun making that. I want to make another one already. So I had a last minute gap, so I've just stuck a heart on and loads of random stickers. But oh my god, I just love it. So we've got our little cardboard thing, pom-poms, bubble wrap. Got some felt that I cut into pieces, into strips, some pasta, feathers, oh they feel nice. These pipe cleaners, which I just want to play with myself to be completely honest. Got some lollipop sticks, this pad, the shower sponge, cotton pads, buttons on string, my messy little heart, sponge, the foil and then my silk. So I'm going to let it all dry and then I'm going to pick off all of these bits of glue once it's done, and I'm going to show Ada tomorrow and hopefully have a play with it, so we'll see what she makes of it. So I've left this overnight. I'm just going to finish picking off all these bits of glue and I've made sure that everything's like stuck on securely. There's nothing that can come off. That she can put in her mouth, obviously for choke hazards, but I'm just going to finish putting all the glue off and then I'm going to give it to her and see what she makes of it. What's this, Ada Buds? What's this? What are you touching? To touch everything. I just put Ada down for a nap. We spent most of the morning playing with that sensory board. I knew she was going to love it, but I didn't think that she would spend that long playing with it. You know what they're like 6.5 months old, like they're into everything, they enjoy things, but they don't spend too long on things. But we have had loads of fun playing with that. So I'm so pleased that I made one. It's one of those toys that she can hopefully play with for several months to come as she's developing like her fine motor skills and things. So, and I had loads of fun making it, and I'm hoping I can make another one. But yeah, I'm just really pleased. Also, if you make your own, I would absolutely love to see them. So drop me either a message on Instagram or drop a message in the comments. I would love to see your DIY sensory boards. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again soon.